Hi folks, Paul here. Let me show you my truck. It's a 1990 Dodge Power Ram. Four-wheel drive, obviously. They don't make trucks like this anymore. The guy can look at that two ways. Thank God they don't make trucks like this anymore, or I wish they did. Show you around here a little bit. There's my custom bumper. Got a few body issues here, but no big deal. Little rust on the door. This is one thing I like about this truck. It's got a real transmission in it, the good old 4-speed with a granny low in it. It's got the 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Put it in 4 low, granny, this thing will climb a tree. Give you a look around it here. Good old full-size spare tire. Got a little custom work here going on with the old duct tape to hold the tail light cover on. Okay, you guys are gonna love this. Check out that custom exhaust right there. Good old glass pack muffler. I think I dropped that tire in a hole one time and it caused that. It's got 33 10.5 15 tires on it. Super Swamper TSLs. I love them. They go through the mud. This thing will go through a couple feet of snow in the winter. If I chain it up, it'll go through even more. Just a good truck all around. Good truck for running around out here, fixing fence, hunting, or whatever. You know, I take this thing into town once in a while and everybody stares at it. I have kids, high school kids coming up to me. I really like your Power Wagon. And yeah, it's just, I don't know, the thing gets a lot of looks when I take it into town. I know I could sell it real easy, but I never will. Let me show you under the hood here. Okay, for all you Dodge guys out there, what motor do you think this thing has under the hood? You're probably thinking, oh, a 318, 360, but no, you're wrong. Take a look at this. It's got the old 3.9 liter V6. I think all they did is pack off 2 cylinders off the 318 and made this motor. Yeah, it's not very fast on the road, on the highway. You know, it especially with those big tires on it, but out here running around in the hills, it'll go anywhere. Good old truck. Well, what do you guys think? Do you like the truck or not? We will see you on the next. Redneck Paul is out of here.